Alright, Xiaomi's event at Mobile World Congress has just ended. I'm actually there right now, but a few days before that, they sent me the Xiaomi Pad 7. So let's check that out. So we got the Xiaomi Pad 7 as well as the keyboard. We'll come back to the keyboard in a minute. And this is the keyboard. We've obviously got it feature packed, but opening it, let's see, where do we get this open from? Aha, okay. So we've got this, and there it is. We have this really nice body. Feels absolutely solid. What is this on the back? Ah, the magnetic ports. Okay, so we've got the magnetic ports for the case over there. We've got the camera on the back. Not the craziest bump in the world. Camera, can you please focus? There we go, thank you very much. And we've got not the biggest bump in the world. We've got the speakers on the sides. As you can see, camera please focus. And yeah, we've got the Dolby Atmos as well as speakers on this side with the port. And yeah, nothing major on the sides, but inside the box, we have the charging cable. Now a decently long one, but yeah, let's switch this tablet on. Actually, sorry, before we switch on the tablet, let's also get this opened up. This is their new Focus Keyboard, which is for both the Xiaomi Pad 7 as well as the 7 Pro. And inside we have this. Now, one thing I'm noticing immediately is the fact that compared to last year's pads, definitely feels way more premium, so that's really cool. We've got this, we've got some documentation over here, nothing major that needs to be focused on, and we've got this keyboard over here, nice strong hinge. Let's get that plastic off as well. And yeah, nice looking thing. Just put the tab in, and the pins which are here, they line up right over here, and you pop that in, and that is nice. That is really nice. All right, so while the tablet switches on, one quick reminder. My name is Danesh. This is Dan Talks. I've been working really hard on my channel for the last little while. So if you are enjoying what you're watching, please don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, so this fellow is now on. Let's quickly set this up. From the initial looks of it, listen, it obviously does look a bit like an iPad, but it feels very, very premium. I'm excited to try this trackpad and see how that works out. All right, so I figured I'd just skip ahead with all the logging and stuff like that. So we've obviously got Gemini on this as well. It shows you whether to turn it on, how to use it, etc. Now, this is going to be using Xiaomi HyperOS 2, which has a whole bunch of new features that they showed off at the event, including interconnectivity with multiple devices, which I'm really happy about. Now, this is the 11.2-inch crystal clear display. We've got a 3.2K resolution. We've got up to a 144 Hertz refresh rate. So let's see if we can go check that out in the settings. And we have refresh rate over here, which is currently at default, and you can put it, and it jumps automatically based on the scenarios. You can also go to custom, and you can select 90 or up to 144 Hertz. So there's no way of obviously locking at 144 Hertz. But we have that as well. Now, the tablet does support Dolby Vision, which is incredible considering its price. We have the camera center focused, which makes it easier to use as well a laptop. And inside we have, where's about tablet. Inside we have 256 GB of storage. That is really nice. This is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 mobile platform. So slightly older platform, but in tablet use, I don't see that being a major problem. Now, inside we also have a ginormous 8850 milliamp battery, which I'm really happy about. And like I showed earlier, we have quad speakers on both sides. So why don't we test some of that out?
This is the Marc-Philippe Gambala Marcienne, a 750 brake horsepower, very specific take on what it means to be an off-road Porsche. But what do you do with a car
There's a
like
nice looking display.
when you're in a place like this? Well,
Speakers are nice and loud.
and then you.
All right, so speakers are good. I'm not going to test that too long because I don't want to get flagged on YouTube, but the display looks nice. Colors are good. I will not lie when I say that my camera is not showing it as well as it is, so please do keep that in mind. But yeah, on the overall, listen, a really nice looking display, and considering all the features that it has, it packs a lot in, like the whole clean back. I really like this clean back. That's really nice. On the back we've got a 13 megapixel camera setup, and on the front one is right there, that's an 8 megapixel camera setup. Okay, so as far as the keyboard is concerned, like I said, it feels nicer. The trackpad is a bit small. Like, it's not usable, but I would have maybe preferred half a centimeter more. Now let's put this through a bit of a typing test, shall we? I just want to see what this is like. So this is the Xiaomi Pad 7, and this keyboard, that's first mistake, keyboard feels pretty nice. Typing on it is easy, and key travel isn't too bad. The keys do feel a little light, and I would have preferred some weight, but here we are. All right, so as far as that was concerned, the keyboard felt okay, but as you can see over here, there's not too many mistakes, just one here with typing preferred and all that got corrected. But listen, the keyboard is nice. I don't mind it, to be honest. I think it looks and feels nice. And again, like I said, considering what the price is going to be when it's offered, I don't see an issue at all. As far as the display is concerned, it looks good. Text and lettering looks very nice. So yeah, I don't see a problem there either. As far as Xiaomi's HyperOS is concerned, I don't know if this is a tablet thing, but I was really happy to see that there isn't a crazy amount of bloatware. It's just the basic apps that are usually there, but not everything that they could possibly install. That was nice to see. We've obviously got all the Google apps. Animations are really nice. So like, if you look at it, it's actually pretty clean, and considering this is HyperOS 2, I really like it. It's definitely not as pretty as the One UI 7, which is to me the prettiest operating system there is right now. But on the overall, HyperOS looks pretty nice. So a pretty comprehensive device from Xiaomi as far as offering an affordable tablet with the keyboard and everything is concerned. But this was a very quick initial unboxing and first look at the device. I'll be using it for the next few days. So if you have any questions, please do let me know. But until then, my name is Danesh, this is Dan Talks, and anything you may do to support the channel is highly appreciated. So thank you very much for watching.